Hey guys, don't ever be comfortable with how much money you make an hour. Making 15, 20, 25, even $30 an hour. It's not a good mentality to have. Maybe when you get to $100 an hour, you can brag a little. Hourly wages is not a way for you to move ahead. There's only two ways for you to increase your wealth in this country. One, go to school, get a degree that has an end game, meaning a degree that will help you get a job like a physician, an engineer, also maybe even get a trade school, become an electrician, a plumber, get in construction. Second way, be an entrepreneur. Find a passion, start your own business. Why? Your time is not worth 15, 20, $30 an hour. Your time should be worth $500, $1,000, $2,000 an hour. Time is valuable. Don't spend your time thinking you're worth just a few dollars. You're worth more than that. Work hard, hustle. Take care.